Pops! Merry Christmas! Today we will make chocolate chip cookies. Thank you for following Artisan Doms. For this recipe, we will need flour, butter, egg, sugar, and chocolate chips. Preheat the oven. First, we put together butter and sugar and make it fluffy. Add egg and vanilla. Put the dry ingredients. And my favorite, chocolate chips. Now we scoop the cookies into the tray. Bake our cookies. Let's bake our cookies. We bake our cookies for 12 minutes. Smells delicious. Chocolate chip cookies. After cooling down, we transfer the cookies into the cooling rack. Mga Pops, these are my chocolate chip cookies. You can try my recipe at the end of the video. Tara, let's eat na!
It's okay. Wala pa. Wala. Go!
Hi mga Pops! Merry Christmas! Hi mga Pops! Merry Christmas!
Uli.